is Meresha Owiti. The decision to give MCAs in the country car grants today faced a legal challenge after a Nairobi resident moved to court. In his filing, the man, Dr Magare Gikenyi, said implementation of the grant would be, quote, discriminatory, outright misuse and abuse of discretion, non-independence and reward of political players by the SRC. The suit comes only days after the Controller of Budget raised questions over the same. Ibrahim Karanja begins our bulletin tonight.
It all started here in Sagana late January when the president announced that MCAs will be joining other legislators in getting car grants. The announcement coming days before county assemblies embarked on debate on the BBI bill and followed shortly after by an approval from salaries body SRC. And today the president's promise faced a legal hurdle after a Nairobi resident moved to court to challenge its implementation. In his petition, Dr Gikenyi says, and I quote, that the earlier move by SRC to reject the approval of healthcare workers' allowances on the basis of inter alia fiscal unsustainability, yet approve the grant further showed discrimination, outright misuse, abuse of discretion and non-independence and reward for political players. The petition, filed under Certificate of Urgency, has the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, the Council of Governors, all the 47 county assemblies and their speakers, as well as all the 47 county assembly service boards listed as respondents. Dr Gikenyi seeks a stay order against the conversion of MCAs car loans to car grants. The lawsuit comes days after the Controller of Budget, Margaret Nyakango, wrote to the SRC raising questions regarding the implementation of the transport facilitation. In the letter, Nyakango cautioned that counties in their budgets only factored in car loans and not grants. She also raised the red flag over challenges in implementing the facility in cases where counties merged car loans with mortgage facilities. These challenges are certainly expected to slow the implementation of the facility or even halt its provision altogether. Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.
And as mentioned, that's a conversation we'll be getting into a little bit more just in a short while right here on KTN Prime. In other news, the war of words between former Prime Minister Raila Odinga and his 2017 co-principals in the National Super Alliance continued today as Wiper leader Kalonzo